Hello beautiful people. So today is just a very short video on how I made this kale vegetable. Excuse me if I am not pronouncing it very well. So I decided to saute it with some onions, some tomatoes, and some fresh shrimps, ginger, garlic, onion, and white pepper powder. And then I also added some grounded crayfish and some fresh shrimps as my protein. Yes, so it actually came out or turned out to be very delicious. So like I said, it's my first time doing or making this vegetable, because here in Switzerland you don't just find it often. And so before I added the vegetable to the tomatoes, I chopped it and then boiled water and put it inside for 5 minutes, because I didn't know how it's gonna turn out and I don't like soft vegetable. And guys, it turns out very delicious, not too soft and also not too hard. It was just the way I love my vegetables to be. So I will put the ingredients in the description box below in case you want to try it. And please do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. So in the end, I actually enjoyed this vegetable with some boiled yam, and indeed it was so delicious. So guys, I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, love you, God bless you, bye.